Don't we all love to swim? After all, there's no other exercise that's fun, helps you stay in shape like swimming. But have you ever experienced anything weird in your vagina after a dip in the pool, such as itching or dryness? If you're wondering whether swimming is bad for your vagina, the answer unfortunately is yes. The main reason swimming is bad for your vagina is because of the chemical chlorine. Since the water in swimming pools is breeding ground for bacteria, chlorine is used for cleaning. Chlorine can be helpful because it kills all the bacteria present in the water. However, not all the bacteria are bad. As we know, our vagina has good bacteria that helps keep it healthy. But whenever you enter a pool, the chlorine also kills the good bacteria that disturbs the pH balance of your vagina. Unfortunately, chlorine can affect your vagina in certain ways and cause the following infection. Yeast infections. Chlorine affects the pH balance of your vagina and as a result increases the chance of fungus to grow. This can ultimately lead to yeast infections. Number 2, inflammation. Chlorine also causes inflammation as it disrupts the normal pH balance of your vagina. It may also cause allergic reactions in the vagina that make it swollen or itchy. Number 3, bacterial vaginosis. This infection can make the vaginal area incredibly itchy and is accompanied by a smelly vaginal discharge. Bacterial vaginosis can also cause a lot of discomfort and pain. Plus, the discharge coming out of your vagina can also cause other skin problems down there. Number 4, vulvitis. Did you know that chlorine affects the external area of the vagina as well? You can feel a burning or itching sensation on the skin of your vulva if it becomes too sensitive to chlorine. Now, you're probably wondering what you can do to avoid infections if you're a year-round swimmer. Luckily, we have some pre- and post-vaginal care tips to avoid discomfort, pH imbalance, and bacterial infection. Number 1, don't hang out in wet or damp clothes. When you go swimming, change out of your wet bathing suit as soon as possible. The wet environment creates a breeding ground for bacteria that can cause infections. Number 2, wear breathable clothing. One of the best things you can do for your vagina health is to wear breathable clothing. Choose fabrics that won't trap moisture. Number 3, check ingredients in your intimate products as they may be chemicals added that cause further irritation, especially if they have water as an ingredient. What can you do to help? Apply a natural water-free pH optimized for the labia vagina topical. Use moisturizer, natural water-free pH optimized for the labia vagina. Make sure any of the intimate products you use, like lubricants, moisturizers, or hygiene items, don't contain dirty ingredients that can cause irritation or infection. If you love 100% natural products just as much as we do at Demiva, make sure to take a look at Clio, the first 100% all-natural labial moisturizer.